Your 3D designs are safe with the MakerBot Replicator 5th generation 3D printer. With high-quality resolution, an easy-to-use interface, user calibrations and camera monitoring, anyone can successfully use this highly sophisticated machine. Its 6 by 8 by 10 inch print capacity is about average for 3D printers like the MakerBot Replicator 5th generation. The 0.1 mm layer height is about the thickness of a sheet of paper, and provides high-quality prints. This user-calibrated machine also supports different 3D printer speeds, temperatures and other important printing settings. This plot-only printer requires proprietary MakerBot filament cartridges, and these cartridges are specially designed to fit inside the printer's filament compartment. Each cartridge is very inexpensive compared to universal cartridges, so purchasing plot straight from the manufacturer is actually cheaper than from another retail source. The MakerBot Replicator 5th generation is one of the sleekest printer designs on my lineup. This 35-pound printer is steel and tabs, and it fits in any workspace. The glass print plate is movable, making your prints easy to take out when they're finished printing. The LCD screen is one of the best, as it is full color, and helps you start and stop prints, check filament, preheat, and change calibration settings. With that amount of onboard control, the MakerBot Replicator 5th generation is a very easy-to-use machine. Another interesting feature is the built-in camera that points down at the printing surface so you can see when your model is finished. In addition to the 5th generation, the Replicator 2X is another MakerBot 3D printer that has a slightly different design. The included MakerBot Desktop program is perfect for both new and experienced users, as it provides many customizable options. Along with your 3D printer, you'll also find a filament cartridge, USB cable tools, and a flash drive in the box. You have to purchase your own maintenance tools, however, as none are provided. The MakerBot Replicator 5th generation also supports untethered Wi-Fi printing. You can even download the free app for your phone or tablet to see printing time, watch the camera feed, and more. MakerBot is a major 3D printer manufacturer, and provides a plethora of support options. You can contact support representatives via email or phone, check out the forum, read FAQs, peruse tutorials or browse the manual for help. A 1-year warranty also protects the MakerBot Replicator 5th generation from defects, so you're covered for quite a bit of printing life. 3D printing anything with the MakerBot Replicator 5th generation is very easy to use. Easy connectivity, an easy-to-use interface and plenty of support options make this printer a top choice. Any 3D printer models you decide to create will be high quality and simple to make.